Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an OBD-ROMan 2 reader or the key turn reset method and a fully charged battery. This prevents communication errors. First, sit in the driver's seat, close doors, and make sure the handbrake is on. Next, record the exact service message and mileage so you confirm the reset succeeded. Once done, you'll either connect the scan tool to the port under the dash or perform the key sequence. Both paths start the same diagnostic handshake and prepare the car for the reset. Once the tool is connected, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine so modules wake up. You'll browse the scan tool menu to service, inspection, or long life. Choose the correct item and confirm reset or clear. The tool writes new interval data. If you're doing the key method instead, cycle ignition positions per steps and watch the dash. Icons will flash then change. This indicates the internal counter was accepted. Make sure communications stay active until tool confirms success. After the reset, turn ignition OFF and then on to let the dash refresh. You should see the service message cleared and a new next service interval displayed. If the light persists, rescan for stored fault codes because active faults will re-trigger the indicator. Clear any codes after repairing the underlying issue. If problems continue, check battery voltage and relevant fuses, then repeat the reset process. This fixes communication or power issues that commonly block successful resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.